Hi everyone, Amy here from the Crowd Converters, and this is our video on how you can grow your email list solely via Instagram. Instagram is the fastest growing platform out there at the moment in terms of social media. It's not the biggest, Facebook is still the biggest, but because Instagram is now owned by Facebook, you can bet sure that Instagram is going to see the growth that Facebook has done over the past 10 years. So here are our top 4 ways that you can grow your email list via Instagram. Number 1, entice people to sign up in your bio. Use your bio to the best of its ability. It's only a short amount of characters, but you can use this to encourage people to sign up simply by saying why it's worth it to sign up to your newsletter or for you to have their email address. Number 2, promote your sign-ups in your stories on Instagram. So your stories goes out to way more people than your feed does or your followers. So this is a great way for you to use your stories. Another thing that you can put on your stories is feedback that you've got from people just by signing up from your newsletter. You can even put what content, to a certain extent, is what is going in your newsletter. Another great way to tease people to sign up to your newsletter. With your social media contests and events, this is number 3 by the way, with your social media contests and events, why don't you encourage them to sign up to your newsletter this way? Or the way they enter into your contest is by giving you their email address. Be careful with this one though, because you need to make sure that with GDPR that you are going to be compliant. If you need any help, give us a shout and we'll happily help you. Number 4, and this is my ultimate favourite, this is the one that I like to use the most, is promote your lead magnet. So this lead magnet could be a tutorial on something, it could be a video, it could be a download, but what it is added value. It's not selling somebody something. So if you are going to get their email address, you need to make sure that it's a goddamn good reason why you should be getting it. So make sure that you're giving something of real value, and people will definitely give you their email address, and off the back of that you can then keep sending them your newsletter, and you can also send them follow-up emails. A good way to do this and to manage and help your time would be to automate it through a CRM platform, and we've got lots of other recommendations to check, so check out our Facebook page to see who we prefer to use. Make sure you subscribe to our channel guys, there's loads more hints and tips coming your way.